New COVID-19 testing equipment have arrived in Somalia's capital, Mogadishu. Somalia today received the testing equipment for the novel coronavirus, popularly known as COVID-19, as the Horn of African country struggles to curb the spread of the coronavirus. Thanks to the Italian Embassy in Somalia for the generous support and the WHO Somalia, as well as the WFP Somalia for their technical and logistics support respectively, said a statement from Somalia's health ministry. The equipment will be distributed by APO Group on behalf of the Ministry of Health of the Federal Government of Somalia. The supplies include masks, gloves and protective kits for healthcare workers and other facilities to combat coronavirus pandemic. The equipments also include ventilators, suits, face shields, thermometers, swabs and extraction kits. Somalia has so far confirmed 12 COVID-19 cases and recorded 1 death. All learning centers were directed to close for 2 weeks and civil servants ordered to work from home, whereas both local and international flights have been banned except cargo planes with humanitarian supplies such as food and medicine. Neighboring countries such as Kenya and Ethiopia continue to record more cases as they struggle to contain the virus which originated from China. Meanwhile, there are more than 12,300 confirmed cases of coronavirus across the continent, with a number of African countries imposing a range of prevention and containment measures against the spread of the pandemic. According to the latest data by the Johns Hopkins University and the Africa Center for Disease Control on COVID-19 in Africa, the breakdown remains fluid as countries confirm cases as and when. The whole of Africa has rising cases, with only 2 countries holding out as of today. The United Nations has now asked rich countries to provide more funding for Africa, but rich donor countries are themselves fighting the crisis and are unlikely to focus their attention elsewhere. This leaves Africa in desperate need of resources. For example, Central African Republic, home to nearly 5 million people, has just 3 ventilators.